success, money, power. Now open my eyes to see that all these gods were dead. I had been duped, hoodwinked, bamboozled. This time, the false savior was me. You see, I've come a long way from that altar on the night I thought the world would end. From a world where people spoke in tongues and saw suffering as a necessary act of God, and took a text to be infallible truth. Yes, I've come so far that I'm right back where I started. I do not have the gospel of faith to share with you today. I have and I offer a gospel of doubt. The gospel of doubt does not ask that you stop believing. They ask that you believe a new thing. That it is possible not to believe. There must be another way. Possible the questions themselves are wrong. Yes, the gospel of doubt means